Here's how to act if arrested abroad. That is how Israeli media is responding to growing international pressure to hold Israelis accountable for possible war crimes. Ynet's guide titled "Here's How to Act If Arrested Abroad and What to Check Before Flight" featured advice from Nick Kaufman, a defence lawyer at the International Criminal Court in The Hague. Kaufman warns soldiers to tread carefully online. The advice includes avoiding posting photos or videos from their time in Gaza, especially ones flaunting destroyed buildings. Even what he calls seemingly minor content like singing racist songs should be avoided. Because all can be used as evidence against them. In fact, Kaufman recommends that soldiers consult international criminal law experts before travelling.
There's been an explicit push to delete social media posts, certain things you shouldn't say in public, which is rather startling because instead of saying, if you think they are war crimes, you shouldn't partake in them, you should refuse, the push is, this is how you should hide them. The shame isn't translated into taking action in refusing to partake in the genocide, but rather to sort of be ashamed that the world sees us in this position. We should hide it better.
Complaints have already been filed against Israeli soldiers in countries like South Africa, Sri Lanka, France and Belgium. Most recently, a pro-Palestine advocacy group, the Hind Rajab Foundation, filed a criminal complaint in Brazil. The group accused a soldier who was vacationing in Brazil of involvement in the systematic demolition of civilian homes in Gaza, with over 500 pages of evidence submitted.
Our mission is seeking accountability, seeking justice, basically. It is a sad thing that citizens as ourselves should be doing this, because normally this should be an automatic thing that states and legal bodies, international legal bodies, should be seeking. I think the Brazilian case was a case where that happened, where a judge actually issued a probe order to investigate a soldier. Unfortunately, the Israeli government smuggled the soldier out of Brazil, which is, of course, obstructing justice. But we are continuing, we are relentless in seeking justice.
According to the guide, even nations like the UK, France and Spain may conduct arrests. Israel's security agencies are now reportedly gearing up to assist soldiers and reservists who could find themselves facing legal challenges when travelling.